Next question. The number of the protons, neutrons and the electrons in strontium. Mass number is given 88. Okay. And atomic number is also given 38. Proton, neutron and electron you need to find out. In the neutral atom, if atom is there, it would be neutral. Number of electrons equal to number of protons equal to atomic number, that is 38. Clear? So proton and electrons are 38 and 38. So in option 3 we can find it out. Now what about the number of neutrons? Number of neutrons would be mass number minus number of proton or the atomic number. Okay, this is 50. Clear? Now correctly this is given here in option 3. I hope you have already identified. Turn comes for question number 77. If mole fraction of ethanol in water is 0.18, then molality of ethanol in the solution will be. So mole fraction of ethanol is given, chi E is given, that is 0.18, right? So what would be the chi for the water? That would also be calculated, right? 1 minus 0.18, that is 0.82. Just assume that the total number of the moles present in the solution is 1. So that ways the moles of ethanol would be 0.18 you can consider, and same ways the moles of water you can also calculate, those could be 0.82. Clear? Now they are asking to find out the molality. Molality is equal to moles of the solute upon the mass of the solvent, and it should be in kg. Clear? So here moles of the solute is 0.18 for ethanol, and mass of the solvent, that mass of the solvent can be calculated using the moles of the solvent. Moles of solvent 0.82, and just multiply what? In this case you need to multiply its molar mass to it. So that is 18 molar mass of water. Okay. Now it needs to be multiplied by 1000. Why? Because this value you will be getting in gram, but you have to take it in kg. So I just divided this value by 1000, so that 1000 comes in the numerator. Okay, just solve this. So 18 can be cut, this would be 0.01. Okay, now solve further for the final answer. So if you solve this correctly, then you will be getting that answer comes out to be 12.2 molal, right? And if you have done this way, you can easily opt for the correct answer that is given here in option 4. Now the next question that we have here is question number 78. Statement 1. Zeros preceding to first non-zero digit are significant. This is absolutely wrong, because zeros preceding to the first non-zero digits are non-significant. Zeros post decimal can be considered as significant if they are followed by the number non-zero digit. Okay, so this way the statement 1 is incorrect. Statement 2. 0.02 has 3 significant figures. This is absolutely wrong, because it would have only one significant figure, that is 8 only, right? So this way both the statements are wrong, and if both the statements are wrong, easily you can choose the right answer here as option 3. Now after that we have the question number 79. Which of the following series of the transitions in the spectrum of hydrogen atom does not fall in infrared region? Just recall. You can simply see that in IR region we have Fund series, bracket and the Paschen, but not the Lyman series. Lyman series is always there in UV, and that's why I have to choose it as my correct answer for this question. Now have a look on the question number 80. Correct order of the energy of 2s orbital of potassium, lithium and sodium is. It means we have the 3 elements with us. One is potassium, other is lithium and sodium, right? Now if you just talk about the energy of the orbital, that is based on the effective nuclear charge, right? So we are talking about the 3 different elements, and when it comes to the effective nuclear charge on the 2s orbital, this effective nuclear charge is maximum for potassium. I'm writing here effective nuclear charge. Okay, so same ways if we just look at sodium, it comes at the 2nd place and it is least for lithium, right? So lower the effective nuclear charge, then higher would be the energy, right? So on the basis of same, if you just check the given option, you find that the energy is maximum for lithium, 2s orbital for lithium, then it comes to 2s orbital for sodium, and then 2s orbital for potassium. This way it proceeds. And on the basis of this, right answer is given in option 3. So you should choose option 3 for this particular question.